In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up messages from a specific time frame on both desktop and mobile, so you can find what you need fast. Start by opening Gmail and signing in so you're looking at your main inbox. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. This is where all the date-based filtering happens. To make things really straightforward, click the Show Search Options icon. It's the small downward-facing triangle on the right side of the search bar. This opens a panel with several ways to narrow down your results. In that panel, look for the section labeled Date within. This is where you choose the time window you care about. You can use the calendar picker to set a specific date, then select how far around that date you want Gmail to search options like 1 day, 3 days, or 1 week. If you're targeting a broader period, pick a range that makes sense. For example, 1 month around a date is great for scanning a whole project's email history. While you're here, you can refine even more by combining the date with other filters such as from, to, subject, or has the words. This is especially helpful when you're hunting for a particular thread or sender within a set time frame. Add only what's necessary so you don't accidentally exclude messages you need. If you prefer typing directly into the search bar, use Gmail's search operators. Enter after YYYYMMDD and before YYYYMMDD to define the exact window. For example, after 2024-0101 before 2024-0201 will focus on January emails. Make sure you include both operators for a clean bracketed range, and double-check the date format with 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and 2-digit day. Once your criteria are set, click the search button, the magnifying glass, or press enter. Gmail will display emails that match the date criteria you chose, typically listing the most recent messages first within that time frame. If the results feel too broad or too narrow, adjust the date range or add a simple keyword or sender, then search again. On mobile, the process is similar but streamlined. Open the Gmail app, tap the search bar, and type the same operators after YYYYMMDD and before YYYYMMDD, along with any keywords or a sender if needed. Run the search and you'll see the messages from that time window. That's all you need to quickly filter Gmail by date, whether you're on desktop or on the go.